Yo. I see the active right now. Yo, Jay, I pray, Father. Hopefully now hear me loud and clear though. Today a day two trading VIX on stream. Oh, I'm telling them, I'm telling them like from a few months back. So yo, I started VIX trading cause I just some things me that sample size check. You see it before I start trade VIX live. I have to go over a stop loss, cause you know when I usually use like small stop loss. So I have to figure how me I go start use that. That way I calculate like a minute time frame weeks them. When I gold stream, I think me tell me that too. So comes me get a stop loss, a 40-point stop when me use check. You see me? I calculate a minute time frame weeks them and realize majority of minute time frame weeks them under like 40 points. So this is when I write this up. This hour, this is 30. You see me chat. So comes me get that, but with there you know, me already sample size the thing that want for sample size, so my day I know fully active. And the strategy I see him, just a few things change. I see it. Strategy I see him. There man, me killer. No joke. About for jumping at it though. But chat, few things I have to show now before I'm going at it. You see it. Cause this important. My trade a little bit different than how everybody else do it. So look, whenever I enter a trade, say I enter buy or I enter sell, my stop loss are always like 40 points. So I'm like whenever I enter this next thing too, I always enter whenever I can go close. You see me? So you see on this minute time frame, we have 8 seconds. I go enter market, you know. We have 3 seconds. I go enter, but I show you. So you can go close, now I enter same time. But you can go opening. And so I enter all trades, you see me? So say me in a buys right now, my stops, I have a fixed stops. My stops are always 40 points. This hour is at 24, 40 the right or so. You see me? So this are gonna be my stops at all times. 40 points. So when you know that, you can automatically like adjust your lot size and risk any amount you want to risk. And I always go for 1 to 2, that the next thing. When I have a 40-point stops, I always go for 1 to 2. 1 to 1, break even. So like how price it 1 to 1, this would be a risk-free trade. Always go break even at 1 to 1 chat. That next thing I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna say I always target 1 to 2. So I'm gonna say 80. That would have the right so. So if it stops at 40, this will be 80, right? So you see me? So there's some TP would have there. So this is how every single trade on my take I go look. So when you know this, you can automatically like adjust like your lot size and risk whatever you want to risk. You see me? But every trade looks so. You see me chat. And as I'm saying, I followed up with that stop loss here, based off a minute time frame with them. So once you get it trend right, your stops should get hit. None of them minute time frame wicks ya, no more than 40 pips. Then less. You see me? The minute time frame wicks ya, then way less. Say enter buys right so. Hold on, this will run the analysis. Just to show you some chat. But look, say enter buys right so. None of them wicks ya would hit a stop loss, cause them none of them no more than like 40 pips. You see me? So that's how comes my father up with that stop loss here. The trade that I get stop out at break even, by the way. But yeah, just then 2 things that I have to show now. You see me? How I enter trade, how I go break even. That I think them want me implement. But now we are running analysis. I'm delete that. So as I'm saying, chat, every trade I saw it I go look. You see me? My stops. I'm take profit. So we'll start from the higher time frame though. Hold on. Alright. We'll start from the higher time frame chat. Just like yesterday. So as I'm saying, like, we're not gonna look for no sales or no buys this like 24-hour time frame. We just look for a trend. You see it. And if you ask me, we're bearish. We look bearish right now. Here's my chat. So what me I gonna do? First thing I do, I like mark up a high. What price reject from? You see it. Somebody say we have this right here, so we start to hold down trend. Mother say price. Can put a level right here, so put this all the way across. You see me? Now identify ranges. That's the first thing I do when I forward on the chart. Identify trend and the ranges, and then I narrow it down. You see it? So it's like resistance. Mother say, but I find a support now. You see my chart. Every time price top this level, what happen? So look, right here, so we have a top. You see me? Price fill the entire range. Let me use the header marker. Price fill this arranger. This is support right here, so we push back price up. You see me? Same thing happen right here, so we tap forward all the way down. Remember we are trying to find like a support. You see me? Since price bearish right now, which part price are push down towards before we reject. You see me? That's what we are trying to find. So yeah, same thing happen, push down right here, so we get like a bullish candle going up. You see me? Somebody say support right here, so same thing happen right here, so we tap, push down, push all the way down this time. Have like a minor rejection right here, so never break the highs nor nothing. That's so far all the way down. Same thing happen right here, so this time we kind of break or pop. This was a decent push up. Same thing happen, we reject. So look, so like how we mark out them the chart, me I go like try to find like a level like within like the candle where we can get like a valid support from. So look, I would have put a level right here, so would have put a level right here, so this are the what you call it? This are the rebreak of the candle lows. You see me? So what we would usually do, since this are the range fill, you expect say once price stop this level, we should be able to fill the range. Hold on, I'm put back that. Alright, just move that chart and use them now. But look, you expect price to fill the range, you see it, cause I'm gonna say this is support, this is resistance. And as a look, every time price stop, was able to fill the range. It's like if same I eat up my right here, so forward, it's a price did a range for a bit with top 80, price fill the range, go back all the way up. You see me? Then I can get a push up from above and fill the range. If I look left, we have like this right here, so when we fall down and we tap, we fill the range. You see it? So even though bearish, this we could be able like we could start push bullish right now since we feel the range going down. Chat, you see me? We tap like the support level we have right here, so we'll probably leave a similar chart. I might have to go zoom in. But we tap the support right, I say, you see me? So clearly structure bearish, we're forward down, you know. But this could be like a end that like a bearish move. And just the price start like go back straight up. You see me? On like a smaller time frame them. So but look, my the freaking like I can't even like talk, bro. Look, the 24-hour time frame, we are look for some, we not look for buys money, but would I expect price for reject? You see me? Would I expect price for reject minimum like top this level right what we have right here, so because this is like a resistance, right? I say, you see me? So you don't expect this can go, even though we fall down, no print a low, you don't expect a reject, you see me? And we could even flip bullish. So we watch out for that. Now me I drop down to a smaller time frame. It's like that me I try to say, but it's like I can't even talk, bro. But me I drop down to a 4-hour time frame chart. As I'm saying, we narrow it down, you see it, cause this arranger, when I really trade it 24-hour, we just get like a trend, get like an idea what price could I do. Some about say want to see some rejection for retest, you see me? And price could easily flip bullish after a retest, but I want to see this level get top minimum. Or I can go bearish. We got what? 2 hours. And I think it only can go close though. But I'm above a star stream. Yeah. Previous can go close bearish. So chat, look. More I expect this only can go for push back up. You see me? Because this top week we have, more I expect this to be enough to actually push price down. We could look for idea for sales like once price break above. Once price break above, would I look for idea for sales, but I'm gonna skip a step. I'm gonna go back to the 4-hour. My first time like looking at the charts right like yesterday. Many even like this are like, oh, me analyze the chart from scratch. You see me? I even have no ideas. I like my first time I analyze. But yeah, chat. So as I'm saying, we are looking for some resistance, we are looking for some rejection. So I mark a next line right here. So narrow down like sealer, narrow down the time frame, put that right. So make this black. Because this is a major level what we get from 24-hour time frame. Make that black. Resistance and your support, you see me? Major level then black and the minor level then blue. So I wait for see if price can push up. You see me chat at this level I have right here. So if what you call this, if 4 can go off a flip bullish, re-break its size, push up on top. Once we see how price react, we get like a bearish engulfing, we could look for some sales going down. But when I go work with the top wick where all it can go print, I want to see something steeper than that. And this is a range filter. If I look left, you see me? I was always able to fill the range all over here too. No, if you can see when I zoom all the way out, but that is not matter. This is like, we have like clean range. It's like a support. This is a resistance. You see me? This is our price there right now, the red liner. So I say if price push up, still the entire range. I remember this would have been like a range fill. The price was always here for like reject from push back down, with top price again and push back down. Same thing happen over here, so we fill the range, you see me? So once price stop this resistance chart, I look for I'll wait for entry confirmation because we can break above. That no outside price can easily break above. So what we're gonna do, I wait for like entry confirmation once price approach this level. You see me? For sales going down. I mark a next blue line and range fill. I make that blue. Mark that blue. Right, so it's a minor level them we have to work with. You see it after we get a top wick, steeper top wick and that. So chat, that idea we have, you see it. So look, I'm gonna go over it again. 4-hour, we bearish. We got range going down. Hear me. We push down our top 80, you see me? But before we look for buys, we wait for range to break out. For right now, I focus on the sales them. You see me chat, because you don't expect price for reject. That's what I said earlier. But we have a level where we expect price for reject up towards. You see me? Once price push up top, then would I expect some rejection. Something like this. We can go forward back down and build the range, re-break its lows. You see me? So that me I go wait on. If he buys them, range to break out as what I say. would have to violate this level when I have right here, so this resistance. You see me, and price like push up. Once we tap this level, get some rejection. If we re-break it like something like this, then we can start plan for like buy idea. We go up, you see me, bro. I can't even draw a freaking straight line or triangle. We're gonna wait for buys like once price retest. This will mean by range 2 buys going up. Here's my chart. Build the range. This would be buys going up. But for right now, we're looking for sales. Why is price like? I would expect some reaction once price start this level. So that's our idea. You see me? And if price violate, we still have like amount of rejection. Like I just all I see is mark it up. Mark it up. No more room. Or it can go a little bit lower. Yeah, I work with 52. It's decent. Work with 52. That are right above the triangle flip. Chat basically a resistance as a more price could like react from. Once it's all it can go, if we manage to push up and flip, we have this right here. So you see me? So we like a little retest area. So chat, yeah, I expect price push up right now. But this I think it's like me now go look for no buys going up. You see, you better wait for buys them go up and then take a trade with the trend. You see me? Cause me I expect price to push up. Like so we get an engulfing here, so this will be like an entry confirmation for me. If me look for buys. You see me that if me look for buys. But more as the price push up, build the range. Yes, buys going up would I be clean. But it would even be cleaner if we just wait until like price like tap the resistance, react, then we enter sales. Because then sales is a high chance the sales then push all the way down and break structure. You see me? Or like way down. Break out of this down so and continue. So that's why I'm not for no buys. I just want to like take a trade with the trend. And go for a higher risk to reward. But more on price push up though. Like the faster price push up, I like it closer we get the entries. Remember we have idea for sales up as so. You see me? So price push up that good. And this up go straight up. But check that on my analysis. I even know. I just say I watch back my analysis them and see if like I wanna see how it look like when I watch back like my analysis. I probably go cringe. Probably I go freaking sound weird. But hopefully I get the idea though, you see me? Simple maths. Or I can go flip. Can we? Buys then going up look clean, chat, no joke. And this shit goes straight up. Oh, I forgot so we're not on the news now. Just that, bro. Just that freaking ask. What time we have news? And based off our price print, I'm not supposed to, but based off our price print, it might seem like adjust my levels them. You see me? But for right now, we're good. We just a wait for a re-break at the highs. Once the price push up, re-break the highs, and continue up. You see me? Up the resistance, and we'll see how price react once we tap. Clue for sellers going down. If we get like entry confirmation. Yeah. But see, boom, Jaja. I may have a splinter in my eye, dog. I'm gonna say again. Oh, your journal. Yeah, chat. The main thing is, I try to get some data, you see me? More I figure out what my win rate on VIX. I already know my win rate on gold. My gold win rate at 80. The last time I checked at 86%. Last time I checked, calculate like every single thing. Like my trades them from 2024. Every single thing with my journal. I think I over 200 trades. 86%, but my VIX, I don't think my win rate I see them most, like I'm sure and I see them. You see me? But the thing is, it's like, in order to fix nothing or adjust nothing, we have to know a win rate or what. Goal, bro. No goal depend from our day, dog. Swear to you. But like I just like I saw me basically improve on anything, you see me? Like you see how I get a stop loss. I figure out like the best entries. And even like you see how I enter on the VIX market and I saw me enter on gold. My entries on gold and entries on VIX are different entries. I don't wait for no bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing when I trade gold. Is it? So it's like a track, like a data I get though. You see me? Track a bunch of data, realize that this work better for VIX. So I same thing I'm gonna do. Once I figure out what my win rate, I say like out of 10 trades, how much my win out of 10. You see me? Or out of like not even 10, but like more I say once you go for like 300 trades, you can say your win rate solid. Something way like, you see me, I can say that's solid once you have like 300 trades. But once you reach 10, you can like kind of see where it go from there. So that time main thing when I work on, you soon see this full out like a gold journal. Soon I full that out. Once I do that, make some adjustment, bro. I take a VIX thing serious. I kind of like VIX. I take it serious. I already start taking it serious still. Angle go close above whatever 30 seconds. If we get a bullish candle closure above you, I expect the next candle for continue. And chat, you see, like, say if price now push up on top like 99. If we not push up top level, may I expect we get top, would I just adjust? You see me? So price reject from yes sir, and start to flip bearish. You see me? We could look for sales like once we break below range 2. You see me, chat? Some usually do it. Once they see we start to print like structure on the way down, we could like say, alright, I guess like we're not gonna get a top wick all the way up, so we could look for sales, continuation and sales going down. But would I need structure though? And I need like lower highs. You see me? If would I need like lower highs for confirm say this high is enough to actually push price down and fill the range. Until then we're waiting for something like a steeper top wick. Delete that. I'm see 15 close by the way. Close above or close respecting. Close respecting. Close respecting. Print a top wick. And rebreak the eyes. Next thing I'm notice is like most of my trade them, bro. I think I did before yesterday. I end that trade on VIX, bro. I hit 1 to 2 in a like 1 minute. One minute candle hit 1 to 2. I realize that most of my trades them are like 3 to 5 minutes, bro. 5 minutes max. They always play out in a 2 to 3 minutes. 5 minutes max, bro. Always. Whether I lose a trade or I win a trade, just 2 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes. I don't know, it's like, I kind of like that, but it kind of scary at the same time, you know. The money just disappear in like 2 minutes sometimes. But when you're in and out, that I fun part about it when you jump in and you slap TP in like 2 minutes. But more man, more remember at time I trade dog, you see it? At the off stream, I jump in I trade, bro. Boom. Before me even like adjust my thing them charging. Before me even set stop loss and TP, my stops already get hit. That's why a minute time frame my trade point. Stops get slapped before me even set up everything. Jump in pan VIX, it turn back pan you and stop you out and go back. It's full of liquidity. Liquidity. Yeah. That's not a lie still, but me just me do think that we have news, bro. How do you find out that VIX will have news charging? No news scandal, bro. Yeah, chat, but yeah, this could have be considered as liquidity, right? Yes, sir. This right, yes, sir. All depends by if price can like manage to like respect. Yeah, we can easily break the highs. Is in my chat. fake out slash liquidity. So we close below the range, close below the resistance, print a fake out, can go close bearish below, next one close bullish back into the range. Yeah, that could be considered, but and every one of them will take though. You see, I'm gonna look for take that. I already have a stick to it until price action say otherwise. Now I jump in, I buy it. I'll do it look clean. Same thing like yesterday, chat. Mom go the trend. Bro, yesterday it trade out it yesterday like drop it, bro. It drop in a dog. I don't know, bro. It's like me not go hold my trade them longer. If me I go do that, I would have to sample size it. You see me? I have to sample size it, bro. That me do before me adjust anything for my strategy. Collect a bunch of data. I'm a stop loss chat, bro. I think it is easy for me start use a small stop loss. The amount of work I put in on that stop loss, bro. I think my sample size like 300 freaking wicks, bro. I never just wake up one day and start use a small stop loss. I'm a stop loss leave with that big. Stop loss up on a minute can't go it. Right, sir. Bro, you step me like a month to start trade, so me a sample size be a data. I'm tell you how I come up with it. And one day me there on the chart, I'm just a look. Me just a look on the chart. You see me? I'm realize I minute time frame me did the point up. I'm realize chat look on the minute candle them, a minute candle week them. You notice say a minute candle week, all of them look similar. Yeah, you have some were steeper than some, but they look similar. That me just say to myself, you know, I just look on the chart one night, bro. That me just figure out how me I go get a small stop loss. You already know my stop loss they're massive, bro. Especially on gold. 300, 400 pip stops. You see me? So me just say, yo, how I could have reduced my stops to like a smaller stops than like a 400 pip. Because I don't want to fall over on VIX and do like the same thing. You see me? Did it and I made it there. I say all of them mini candle wicks look the same. Say to myself, say, you know what I go do? I go measure them out and see like the highest wick. You see me? And I measure them for like, I collect data upon it for like weeks. And that I do, bro. And I so comes my follow up with the stops so I have today. But if you track it for yourself, if you look on all like wicks them chat and track it for yourself, like say enter once it can go open up. Alright, watch this. This a candle. This a current candle chat. It can either go up or down, right? But I guarantee you the wick it now go be above 40 pips. See if it can go up, the bottom wick it now go be like more than 40 pips. If it can go down, the top wick now go be more than 40 pips. It's like me better that, bro. I just watch the chart and figure that out. Even look on the previous candle. The previous candle, you see this bullish candle go up. The stop loss, the wick are probably like 20 points, bro. 15. You see that? 15. Look on this a wick here. This how much? 33. You zoom out to try 34. So none of them now above 40. None of them. So once you have like a 40 point stops, bro, you should be good if you get the trend right. See, if you don't get the trend right, the stops will get hit fast and quick. But if once you have a trend, you're not gonna get such a steep wick, bro. Your stops will be safe. And don't believe me, you can just sample size it for yourself. Chat like, just start track them. If this candle go push bullish and we are going close bullish, I better say this current candle wick, it now gonna be like this no more than 40 points. So if it end up on a candle flip, you're still in a trade because this no more than 40 points. But watch and see. See if it fall down and it re-break its lows, most likely you're gonna see like price push past that. You see me? You say you would get the trend wrong in this situation, yeah. You see me check. Not the overall trend, but on a minute time frame. You see me? Because remember a minute candle them weak you're using now. But alright, say look, you see you can go drive down. You see you can go drive down instead I push up. If you enter sales, the top wick would be like above 40 points. If you measure this at top wick, yeah, this how much? Less than 40 points, like obvious. This our 10. See this can go a flip bullish just now. Measure a wick. Statement better less than 40, 16. So I might show you just sample size if yourself chat. Yeah, see. Feel like that are like a thing I'm most like proud of. I'm actually like implementing my strategy recently. That tough, bro. When me use the trade breakout 50, 40 people sell me use, no joke, bro. But on the minute time frame though, you see me, I'm not talk about like the other time frame them, because the other time frame them like, of course the hourly can go week gonna be way more than that. You see me? Strictly minute time frame check. Depends on the period, definitely. That's true. It depends. I'm not talk about like every pair. This I think with me, I only trade two things now, chat. I trade gold and I trade VIX. Only VIX 31 is. Only that. I never trade no other VIX. And the 31 is. And that I think whenever I'm like say something, most people think it apply to like everything. I not talk about you doing on my dog like say me I explain something about my strategy. You can't. I don't know if I can use my strategy on freaking NASDAQ. If a NASDAQ I trade, probably my advice now go work. I never touch NASDAQ. I never look on NASDAQ. Never even look on it, bro. But that's the difference. Whenever I say something, you have to dip on the chart with me dip on. But chat, see where I push up that good. Remember where I expect price to go up, you know. So now I FOMO into buys, yeah, expect it push up. I just want price to push all the way up to the resistance. And then see if we can get some sales with the bearish trend. I think though once I find out my win rate for VIX, I go adjust like I adjust my entry. If my win, it depends on the win rate. The win rate I tell me what to adjust, bro. You probably see me adjust my entries, different type of entry confirmation, or may have a of players. I just choose the one I think work best for the VIX. I never take a re-break at the hype on VIX. That's a one I never ever try. I never take a re-break at the low. We not put sell stop and can go flip either. Weekend tree. I take weekend trip on VIX before, but that not something where like I stop do that. Stop like weekend tree whenever you like you wait for you must know what weekend tree is like. Whenever you wait for like you can go push down check and you enter while it can go bearish, expecting it can go for flip. Enter and it can go weak, you see me? That's all it is. But I not do that again. My entries them are more like doing so. Engulfing candle, you see me? But win rate I tell me if I take time though. I only have one data. They say the price, they say that we hit 1 to 2, but I never set my TP. So price hit 1 to 2 and reject. I'm close off 1.5 hour. That the next thing when I stop though, I start set my take profit. Cause I realize when I set my take profit, I make way more than if I not set my take profit, bro. Swear. Like rain I go fall. Next thing I'm gonna do to chat, like whenever I'm look for entries, it's like a extra confirmation mode. I track like the micro movements in the higher time frame. You see me? So say this all it can go push up. Say this all it so close above, so push up, and we actually tap the resistance. Even though we look for sales, once we tap the resistance mode, I like track like the micro movements to see exactly how we push up. You see me? Yeah, I see a bullish candle on all the time frame. But if you like drop down to like a smaller time frame, like a 5 minute or 1 minute, you'll probably see something like this. You'll probably see something like this. Can go open up right, so push down, bring the low, push up, push down, range look a bit. You see me? Print a fake out. So this what I mean by like the micro movements in a like a higher time frame. You see me? So I mean, bro. So it's like it depends on the structure what we have going up. You see me? The structure looks something like this. Who could have for like execute? But yeah, whenever you see like a bullish candle, I like it all the time frame, like a heavily bullish candle, I just drop on like a smaller time frame and track like how we push, like the structure we will have, like exactly how price push up. You see me? Like structure important. More while the candle can push up and close above, but we close above without structure. So that candle I just reject. Our next candle I reject. That's when I have no structure. And the way up even though close bullish. One price pick up speed though, bro. Just remind me a goal. You know what, chat? By the way, believe I rush this car. May I have a video for react to. I know this always lame, bro. May I react to this? You can watch this while I'm a trade, bro. Bobby Sachs did drop a podcast 2 days ago. You can watch this, bro. I'm gonna play some Call of Duty, bro. As see, we'll start pick up there. You know what? This trading thing funny, dog. All of a sudden, we'll start pick up. But yeah, we'll probably just watch something, dog, until the price stop. You see me? Or I can act like you don't want to flip. Re-break your highs. Man, this 4 for flip chart. We have clean range going up there. I think I know. Like, if I have FOMO, bro, just, you know, just freaking, like, go play some game or just walk away. Because me, I tell a check. Let's see, once this 4 can go re-break his size, we got clean range going up. Anybody who enter buys right here, so wish you no good luck. You know what heap of people are doing. Jump in a buys right here, so. But me not do that doing a chat. Me not do that. But this I think once the 4 can re-break his size, we're gonna fly, bro. We're gonna fly. We'll have clean range. Clean range going up. All this 3 left. If I look right here, so. See, if I look my current 4, right? So print a low. But I say we have clean range going up towards like resistance, so I have markup. See, same thing happen right here, so we could mirror this candle, by the way. We could mirror this bullish candle right here, so chart. You see me? All this I have to do is just flip bullish. I will mirror the previous candle. So we have all this over here, so to fill the range easily. And that same thing happen right here, so this candle fill the range. Just need to flip bullish, bro. Yeah, expect this price push up. But this I think after we top, then I expect we start fall back down. I could easily take out these lows and fall down further. You see me? So that may I wait and look for something up here, sir. But I just say time though. I don't want it to take too long. I think more they have to stream for like 5 hours. Wait, try to tell us what me notice look a while more see for that our price I go do. If this current 4 I go just flip bullish like what happened in that past. I like the candles there. The candles I will fill the range. We'll get a low already. That I think we'll get a low already. Say that I expect price respect this low. Continue up. But it's like we'll struggle. Just struggle. Be patient though. Yeah, kinda still early. Or I can go know you want to flip bullish. Just have to take 3 days, bro. Range like a bit first. The line right there, so just to identify for I can flip and drop down to a minute time frame. I'm not going to mute this. I know I'm gonna wait a little bit first. I'm gonna see how this close. But them are going like say we're born in our riches. Oh, them done, man, asleep by the floor. Finally we break and flip. And you see that see freaking volume kicking, bro, before I can go flipping out. That's before I can go re-breaking his highs. Before I can go flip bullish check. As we say, clean range. We have clean range going up, bro. So yeah. No FOMO. You would expect price to push up. That's what I want to see happen. Once the price pop straight up towards this blue line I have, I'm gonna enter buys though. Where I go with the trend. Even though you would expect price to push up, more wait until price push up the resistance and we can sell. I'll sell with the trend. As then there's a high chance we shut at price reject. High chance price push down and will break. This is what we have right here, so you see me? Easily. No, that my candles are my worst. I have to learn how to draw candles. I learn how to draw candles, check. I need a new pen, bro. I don't like the pen I use. I need something different. Pen is kind of slow. That look like a candle. My edge there is so sharp, bro. You focus on that. Okay. Now we break your eyes yet. We have eyes all the way up there, so 74. Come on, bro. Hurry up and feel the range. So flip bullish, we'll start get some rejection. Mm, just wait, this could be a retest chat. The most obvious thing, bro. Retest. You see me? So we finally break. Right as a we'll break. You see me? And we'll break and push up. So yeah, it's the most obvious thing. Price push back down and retest this level where we have right. So retest this level and then we'll pop back straight up. We break the highs. So we'll see for that again. But that look that did I expect that? Price action 101. Measure that wiki. I see that wiki how much? 26, 31 actually. Yeah, we can actually sample size that while we're live. You see me? You can sample size like weeks them. I remember me I say like weeks them on a minute time frame. None of them are, to be honest, I can't say none of them. Majority of them, would I say 98% under 40 points. That's what I said. You don't have to take my word for it where I sample size it like right now. Just watch a mini candle them and measure them like weeks. Yeah, I see most of them under 40 points, if not all of them, bro. With that session, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I see mini candle wake up 56 points. I see that before. But that like a one time, me ever see that just one time. But I say this are like the biggest week. I measure that 33. This is how me I look on to, by the way. This right here, so 32 actually. You see me? And as I say, most of them under 40. Most of them. My sample size that my sample size RR. But that of when me enter trade do a chat. More see like if a trade run, like how far you run. So I can see which risk the reward I best one for go for. So far I 1 to 2. And that we aim for. So almost rebreak the highs. Almost. Finally, bro. Look like we get some movements. Almost though. Don't put them out of them pick up. Other than them, I don't know what to say. Other than them, only God never. Don't be biggie when I'm on you, you spend. Bro. That's range, dog. Leave at 3 o'clock. What time do you way late? Really going up how much, by the way? I take time, chat, but we'll just have to wait it out, bro. I take time. We're going to just have to wait it out, though. We can easily tap. You see me far away, but it's possible. I easily get tap. I just require patience, though. We are depend on a boy for nothing, cause we are soldier. Them guy out in no time. So she have to do money. I hope that I have 10 people. They have no we are doing. I'm doing biggie when I'm on the stage. I have to be extremely patient, bro. Patient. See you later. You know what, chat? I just watch a video, bro. Well, I made phone there. Connect my phone and watch a video, dog, cause you know, like the chat just arrange, bro. Chat just arrange. I would even close for top yet either. Five minutes left on the 30. I want a bullish closure above on this at 30, yeah. So that'll be decent. Alright, about as me about to watch a video start pick up. It's a bearish candle how much, by the way. 70. Keep wanna do that, dog. Waste the whole of my thing. Music test, I want me drop my most rise. That's all on my head. Left us, nice, get it. Yeah, yeah. I made phone there. I probably even need that. Alright, I have to go mute this. Mute that. Now and turn that up too much, isn't me? I got too loud, bro.
Yeah, all I think you could have done a prison.
Yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good.
Prison.
Real
Like,
prison?
Yeah.
I can hold 5 years. That's how I cut off limit. Now, man, if it's a 5-year sentence, me nah check out.
The judge tell us, yo, 5 years, you go with that?
Me can't do 5.
Nah, I don't know about buckle at 5, bro.
How much long does it think I can go?
Yo, father. Yo, if the judge tell me anything more than community service. Anything more
Wait,
than
that's my
community
waist, man,
service.
Dog say if the judge tell him anything more community service. Hold on, chat. Me for give me 2 seconds, bro. Alright. I will start get some rejection. I'm so surprised I reject from. I'm gonna say go for the higher time frame. Close respecting 32. Close back into the range. Only can go top week for our will never even re-break the 4-hour highs. So could that be enough? I'm gonna say depends. Try say if we get like closures below the range, we could look for like work with it. But until stuff get like closures below though. Any closure below, yes sir. When I say any closure below 43, we could look for sales. You see me? If we're gonna work with the top week what we print just now, move The blue line. Delete that. Yeah, anything below 43 will look for sells. Sells going down. This can go off like reject. Push all the way back down and close below. Because I think, see, we have a top wick point all the time frame. I'm gonna delete this. Right. So all it can go. Remember, all the 4 I can go reject the coil, but we never rebreak the 4 I can go highs. As me print a top wick at 68. No start for reject. So I say if we get like closures all the way back below, back into the ranges, we could just wait for a top wick for like the next hourly candle, and then we look for sales. You see me? After we get entry confirmation and everything. But the reason why I'm not look for sales now because like I'm not sure if this is enough. This will print right so. I know like this high. May I expect a steeper high. You see me? May I expect a top wick up so. Then we look for sales. So if this is enough, what we're gonna do, I just wait until we get like closures below the range, another lower high, if price push up, and then reject, flip bearish, look for take advantage of the range that we have going down. Have like a level right so close below that or I expect price fill the wick. So that idea may have is me. Is either we top 68, we look for sales at 68. Or if this is enough and price I got pushed down now, we could wait until we close below 43, wait for another top wick, then look for sales going down. Jump out once the range get filled. You see me? Any closures below the range, I expect we fill the wick. Yeah, so we'll just see all price. Like if we are push down from which power there, or if we are gonna rebreak the highs, we have ideas. Rebreak the highs would have better though. But that have to just if like this is enough, is in my chat. Enough of a top wick. So would I look for adjust? So for right now we're good, yeah. Right now. $25. We have 25 minutes if I want to see how this hourly can go close. If we close bullish above chat, yeah, I expect price which we would definitely have a freaking break the highs. You see me at 99. But yeah, that idea. Now we'll just play a waiting game, bro. I say I just watch this while I'm wait. I'm wait for goal dog.
Yeah,
Wait.
all I think you could have done a prison, no jail, prison. Like,
Prison?
yeah.
I can hold 5 years. That's how I cut off limit. Nah, man, if it's a 5-year sentence, me nah check out.
The judge tell us, yo, 5 years, you go with that?
5 years. But man, I got prison, you know.
We can't do 5.
Nah, I don't know about buckle at 5, bro.
I feel like it feel like it depends on like a what. Like what me I do 5 years for. Depends.
I think you can go.
Yo, father. Yo, if the judge tell me anything more than community service. Anything more than community service, I hit that to the people, I tell you. You know?
That's right there.
Yeah, man, just blood clot, rage before funeral details. You know? Yeah, so man, I say, yeah, man, the youth say, wake.
Hopefully, me not get copyright, bro. What if me get copyright, dog? Bro, what if me get copyright? Think YouTube will copyright my stream chat?
You never leave,
I get copyright on my stream, dog. I see people react to video all the time. Then I get copyright. Oh, fuck it. I should be straight, bro.
Ja.
Keep me far from vampire.
In my channel up on the last strike, though. If I get the next strike, I'm gonna take on my channel.
Yeah. You know what my goal? I hope so like a morning time now, the people who listen to the podcast in the morning, them actually start sing along to the part they will.
Pretty sure so they do it already.
You feel like people, if you ever,
yeah, boy.
if you, make know, but I tell a lie, you know.
I'm gonna skip out that, bro.
You know what I mean? Hope say anything will bother you. But they say wanna cause life, not cause death. That's how you go.
We never hear that saying that before.
I wanna cause something. You see me, Charlie, them ever have some look old proverbs and something like that she always tell me and think too. You see me, I say. So big up on yourself, you know, and again, thank you.
You see on the delivery driver, I want to check for ensure say food them delivered good, you know. And what they put my bum buckler order. That delivered, you know.
What do you mean by that?
So man, I say, I like when blood clot the delivery people them fuck up me order, you know.
Yes, so hold a load there.
Or whoever prepare it, fuck up me order, you know. Them thing they fuck me up, you know. I had a oxtail earlier, you know, brother. A jerk chicken must be forward, you know. Bex.
Oh, yeah, I say?
Yeah, jerk chicken must be forward, you know. They fuck me up, you know. I had a oxtail earlier, you know, brother. A jerk chicken must be forward, you know. Bex.
Imagine I had
Right
ox tail
there,
and get
you know
jerk
what I mean?
chicken. I try it look like we're whole like low. Surprise I reject. So yeah, wanna say like we'll just rebreak the highs. A rebreak at the highs would that be good now. A rebreak at the hourly can go highs, right? So would that be decent? I expect price to continue up. That would be good structure too. Re-breaking the highs now. Price action look clean, mechanical lie. Price action look super clean. We just now look for our buys chart. You see me? Even though I buys time them I know. I expect buys to push up, but I wait until up the resistance. I'm gonna execute. Bro, no. This I think, bro, with VIX. It's like it move, but it just move lame, bro. It's like then I get a crazy spike and then think that let's say price and move so probably gonna still push up, and re-break the highs and continue up. It just moves slow. Gold with a big spike already. Yo, chat, give me like 2 seconds, bro. My fault. Hold on. chat. There, what can I let me see. These will pay attention. We didn't even close it, by the way. Oh, good. Can go print a low price re-break it. I expect like open no low. Good forward down chat. That could be. I might tell you enough. This could be top week, but if we have a look for sales, we are still in like range 2 breakout. You see me? All the way below here, so for my enter sales. So no matter what we do, we don't have to wait. Price I go print a steep or high, or if I look for sale. Once price breaks structure. Still not getting no breakout. No breakout check. It's a range of price, you know. That's alright, that's all. It's a range of price, you know. You feel if you break the highs, I don't feel if you break the lows. That's why I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch a range. You see me? But I'm just avoid that and wait for like a breakout. Bro, what the bro? I'm see them there. Yeah, nothing in this range at my heart. I avoid this right here, so. Hold on, the mail forward, hold on. Mail forward check. We're not really going nowhere, you know. Just up in our range. I'm say range up like it's a decent range though, but man touch it. It's a decent range, yes. It's like me I trade now. Me I trade now for like 3 years or so. Or almost 3 years. And you always surprise me how much patience trading require, bro. Always surprise my dog. You have to be super patient when you wait for them. You wait. This I think you wait 3 hours. You have a freaking 2-minute trade. That's a funny thing about it, bro. 3 hours. You enter your in and out in 2 minutes. I'm play this.
So we're not
Use them to
complaining,
cook.
but we are
Yeah,
complaining.
you're not
Use them to
no.
cook. You know, say enough time that reach me order all my jerk chicken and something now and like me not get no sauce with it or like yo, you know me find out say so my place then do I'm not calling them because I'm not really rare, but them try sneak in stew chicken in I to pass off as jerk chicken. Like what I
Never
them
see that go on yet.
yep to me all while.
Fuck.
And it's like the we just have a jerk chicken and then want add in some more pieces. I say look I can get like me order one leg quarter and we get like one leg and then quarter still fall. Serious, bro. And I told me man in a fussy cause like me I got those box that we see
Yeah, real talk, bro. Because I'm not return it, bro.
I feel like,
Man,
see, yo,
say.
it take
Mm.
a certain type of man, and I don't really have the strength, you know, for like go back in a place and say, yo, I need this me hard, you know. Like,
For
you need
real.
a woman to do that for you. Me feel so.
Facts. You need a woman. And that's why I like a woman when we talk up for you more while.
Mhm.
Me. Like, that's a fear job, mama.
Yeah. Me is
Yeah,
never
man.
the type of man. Me didn't know in case things get a certain way. You see me? But
Yeah.
them thing, and I'm like, me is not the man where like, my guy yard what day, I mean, a million nine day in a store. And it's like me, I wait for my turn for yard and thing. I mean, I say, yo, I want to saw you operate at them place. I know, yo, let me get one a rare. Like, me, I ain't that, you know.
Nah, I wouldn't.
I say, yo, but
Yeah.
That's a sample man in a dog. We still not break out the way chat. My mama say, if that I top week and that gonna be high, we're gonna wait until price break structure before we look for sales. And break and retest. Finally, we break out for like a minute time frame. Nice top week, by the way. Clean retest. Well, like we level at 43 though. 43. How can you ever put it a little bit below 41? To finally top. Well, they've reached it almost. But chat, as I'm say, we look for range to break out below 41. We got enter nice sales. Them as it. Let us wait for that. Cause that would have confirm the top week. You see me? That confirm it can go high. I say like if we get entries, we would look for sales go down towards like 25 with an X blue line right there. So that would be like the range I look for take advantage of. I'll just wait for a minute up week after closure below. wick at 50 would have been decent. Yeah. 48. So chat, we're almost almost there. Hold on, give me a second. Never completely get the top week at 48. Or like halfway. Alright, chat, I'm just make some adjustments. Is it because look, you see whenever price print, you have to like adjust my levels them. Cause if we are look for sales below 48 on break, we tap like 38. That's why I'm like adjust my levels to re-break our lows. You see me? What we are gonna do? I wait for a top week and then see if we can execute. That's what I'm gonna do. Once we like fill the range. I'm gonna go back. Put this at 41. This a minute can get reject from though. Yeah, previous minute. Makes sense. Still not yet though, chat. In our ranges, you expect this range to get filled, but may I wait for like a engulfing. That would be entry confirmation. Before we look for sales. If prices push straight down and fill the range in a GG's, before any entry, I have to wait for that. Put this all the way over here. So. Well, for like, we're in an era chat where I look for entries, but this I think I need to see like price reject before I look for any type of sales. More see price reject, you see me, and then fall back down, fill the range, get like a bearish engulfing before I look for any type of sales. And just move them yeah, and get some fresh levels mark up. But same idea though. Idea not change, man. Just adjust the levels them. And put this on it. Yeah, put it on the high. So I range out in on a 4 hour time frame. I basically expect a range fill chat. Still got range going down towards 15. So that would be a support, if you ask me. So it's like how would I look for sales going down? That the next thing. It's a measure range by the way. Alright, so as I said, would I just wait for like a retest engulfing? Think that would have confirm like so now that we start break out a range that would have confirm like a high. You see me? Breakout start for close below that would have confirmed like a top week over that I talked about earlier. Price this is that the 4 can go high. We reject, we push up, but we never like re-break the highs. You see me? Never re-break the highs, reject from right and forward straight down. A closure below, yeah, I expect like once it gets some rejection, we should be able to flip bearish and continue down. Less a range we have. And can even adjust this just look a bit higher. Alright, so I may adjust see that. May I adjust my level upon a re-break of the lows. So wait for so retest 36. I must say. But may I look for now try which part I expect price for reject from. Is me? I'm put this 40 right now. 4.4 oh by the way. Yeah, right, I saw. Alright, so that'll be good. 38. Let's look for some bearish engulfing anywhere up there. So but this right here, so that look good. Same way. Because I try to find like a base level. Think like 44 would look decent. It's show me say you can even go a little bit higher. 50 or 51. That would be a that would be a steep top weight though. Wi-Fi gone, dog, gone. So you don't miss nothing though. You don't really miss nothing. But basically, we'll wait for see if this 4 can print a steeper top weight. You see me? But forward close, we never re-break the highest price respect. You see me? This are the 4 can go high. Price forward down. Price forward down. After 4 can go print a top wick. Forward down. Start to reject. I expect like price re-break the highs, right? So, but that never will respect. You see me? I will start to push down. So it's like since we respect this high, whenever we break the 4 respect, may I say yo, once we start to get like closures below, once we start to get closures below, price would have no price would have start to break back structure to the downside. You see me? Some would look for sales like once we start for like get closures below and retest. Would look for sales, expecting a range fill. You see me? And a continuation of the trend. Something like this may I look for right now. So yeah. You're not really missing nothing. We just little wait for your top week. Finally, Prince. So, yeah, I just want to say a retest now, chat, and then we look for ourselves going down. May expect this range we get filled. And now, would I also expect there should be enough since price retest and we fail for break, right? So, forward straight back down. So, continuation sales may I expect. We just wait for some retest now, chat. This I think I may try to figure out which part you retest I go be at. You see me? We price the sum like this. So price stop this level and then we'll start for reject. This could be retest, right? So we have a level above. It's like we have multiple level where price could reject from. You could see something like this. You see me? And even if it be that high, could be right yes too. And price will start for reject. So that's our next step. I just try to like see which part price I got reject from right now. Continue down. And if price not reject and we get like closures above back into the range and we just continue for wait. Price break back into the range. Put down back here. This down, on this down. Wait, bro, that I prefer right now. Right now, chat me work with 51. You see me? Face on rejection. Turn this down, but it's too low. Well, I want to see how price react from right as a chat because this could be a retest right as I said earlier. You see me? I want to see if price will do something like this. I'll push down. I'll reject from right as so we continue back straight down. But we're not top yet. I have 5 minutes left. See if we're going to get a closure below. Look like we start to react from the level so far, I must say. Get an engulfing. But this is not one we are looking for though. Chat, as I said, chat is like we're bearish. May I look for sells. The only thing is we have to just like see where price I got reject from. You see me? Like may I expect 52? You see me? Since we are fall down. Right now. May I expect once like we top like 52, that I gonna be it. So we reject from this level here. But I expect something like this. I expect price to go back up. I wanna see this level get up or we'll fill the range halfway. You see me? Just want a steeper high than this. This could be enough. What we are gonna do? I wait like if price like close below. Wait for like range to break out. If this right, so if this high where price print is enough, yeah, see price close below. If that is enough of a top weight. And if price close below, just wait for like range to break out. You see me? I already know we do it. I could have wait for like once price retest this level. Look for sales. So that would be idea. Just want to see like how we react on this level here, so over you know. This a little box here, so like we're gonna rebrand the highest chart. Yeah. Just know this would be enough, bro. I think price, if we end up on it engulfing, what would have happened? 1-to-1 would get hit. Not even 1-to-1 would get hit. But chat, as I'm saying, I just this a level here. You see me? Not every retest I write on. I don't feel like this is enough. Once like a steeper high. Man, breakout. We have a minute left until the 30 close. We get closer and closer to entries. It's price top. 40 seconds. We're gonna have to adjust levels look a bit higher, bro. Depends on we're close still. Like we're close respecting. Might go have to adjust levels them try close respecting your expect price. They expect price push up into top week. Even if we are go push down, you see that I still bring that top week first. I know that will lead to bring back into the range. Much range is going up, by the way. 92. See if the only can go, see if, not the only, sorry, if the 30 can go push down first and then reject, start to get closures, we could look for buys, but you know, try like back into the range. Like something like this, I'm gonna dry out. So this only can go, so like I'll open up, see if we push down first, feel halfway, we feel halfway weak, or even if we rebuild the lows, and then flip back bullish, we could look for buys once price back into this range. Cause now this is a range out in, you see me? That would be support, this would be resistance, so this would be range out in and out, you see me? So buys them go to fill the range at 51 minimum, you see me? But before we do that, we would need a steeper low than this, steeper low. I want to see like, yeah, feel at least halfway week or fill the entire week and then flip back bullish. These sells them, I want to see like, if I look for sales, price will have to push up at this level first. You see me? Before we look for sales. And the next thing too, after we tap this level, we get like engulfing. Look for sales going down. And the next thing to check, you see if this top week we already print on the 30-minute time frame, if that's enough, we're going to like wait to confirm it. You see me, you see price push down and close below with like lower highs. If this right a sign up. This what I mean by that. You see price or something like this. You see price print the top week, push down, reject, and instead I will flip bullish and continue up, I print like lower high. You see me, I respect like the previous high, continue down again. So this is the only way like we would look for sales if we have like structure the way going down. You can get like closures, but below we look for sales going down. Feel this arranger with just this a top wick. You see me? So me always agree. Whenever like you're not sure if a top wick is enough to push price down, you wait for like a range 1, range 2 information. So as I'm say, we expect a high at 51, but if this is enough, we look for sales below a range 2. After print like structure within this higher time frame. Range going down a clean range still, you know. Where so just one of the top wicket though. Top wicket would be decent. Next one adjustment. I expect price to push just a little bit higher, but look like that's it be only top week. Remember, I'm going to chat. It's like how print a low first. If this only can go flip and we start to get like closures back into the range, ideas for buys going up. You see me? That would have been decent. Are you up to right side? So take advantage of this range. But it depends on how price react though. Yeah. I got really weak. Nah, I tell you like price action clean still. Price action makes sense. Just adjust them and chat. More price print like readjust my levels them. You see me? We like the same idea, you know, I'm not change it. Overall idea. So like adjust the ranges them. Cerebral sells them up at 49 would have been nice. If you're not getting the inches, do a chat like anytime, like within no one in the next 15 minutes. We're probably gonna look for inches for the next hourly time frame. After hourly candle close, we'll look for sales for the next hourly candle once the print at a week, especially if this hourly candle close below. But that if we're not getting the inches though, by now in the next 15 minutes. First time push up from 85, push up, top, reject, then fill the range. Say if I same thing happen right as our top, press reject and fill the range all the way up towards 72. Press fill the range right as we leave, we get no rejection. Top, now fill the range again. Push up, reject, top 16, fill. Same thing, same thing, same thing. Fill multiple times though that I think. No price I fall down again. Probably this something like this. Is a structure how basically have chat is like, as them say, it's like I want to say a steeper top weight. I'm just unsure about this top weight right as a bro. I don't know if this is this enough to push price down, bro. I want to see like something just deeper than that, like over so at 50. See that even add up right at 50, bro, before me up to sales. Hope we can write us. I'm just skeptical about this level here. In seconds. Come on, you know, more of this can go close at least bearish respecting. Well, close respecting, but not the level that probably you want. You want to see a respecting closure above like 39. So close respecting 35 instead. Just want to see a steeper top with either easier for get a steeper high if price stay close above 39. We rebreak the highs just now, by the way. Let me see. Look like we rebreak the highs. We can press break structure, close below 30. As I'm saying, if we don't get an inch chart, most likely I'm gonna be on the next hourly candle then. We don't get an inch now. We're re-breaking the highest chart. So we'll see if price can react once we top 50. $54. Which are almost there. As I'm saying, I want to see how price react once we tap this level. If we break past 50, then at 54. You see me? If we can manage to get like a bearish engulfing, I'll look for some sells. I'll put some sells going down. Why the fuck this candle close bearish, bro? More price continue up. I would even complete the top. Oh, it's close though. Thing is, that might be enough. I'm gonna go wait though. Another re-break, and then I engulf thing that will be way better. Was just slightly off, bro. But the good thing is we can still wait for the next hourly high. If that's enough chat, I'll close back below the range. Just wait for the next hourly candle, cause that gold need a top wick. Check this here, these sales going down, you know. I just so we can go close, bro. When this can go reject, freaking we get like a sniper rejection. We want this can go close bullish and the next can go actually top. Then we get bearish closure, bro. We never completely top down. This can go reject. Oh, this one's straight down from this one. End up not getting no entries. That would have been clean though, I swear. If we did get that, that would have been decent. 1 to 2 that hit too. So you go still. Or a bug out. I have a last minute left, chat. Just wait and see how this all can go close. Wait for the next all can go top week. And then me execute of our next all can go high. See you later. I have a minute left. Alright, so look like close below. Yeah. So I'm just wait for your top wick. You see me? Once we get like, we don't even need a steep top wick since price close below. You see me? What I say? Anything up your side would be good. You see me? This might be enough, but may I work with 42. Wait, once it's all, you can go print a high chat. Look, execute. I know we get a closure below, so that's a good thing. You just need a top wick now. Price just melt down without a top wick and a GG's. So close, by the way. This panic angle high or flip. Now the bottom week once this can go flip that I expect price push up though. Once this whole can go flip, have like a decent range going up. And the rebreak of the lower. Rebreak of the lower, so that'll be decent too. Rebreaking the lows, as I'm saying, try that might be enough, but me now go like jump in a cells where I go adjust like price will have to fill the whole entire range. Would have to like get like breakout, range 2 breakout. To confirm it, or can get top week. You see it? If me can't confirm it, just wait for a steeper high. Right now, this is not confirmed. Like all the can grab of deal without a top wick. Right, I say I have to be careful though, chat. You see me? All the can easily reject like the previous one them. Price really now in no direction, bro. First look on a 15 can get out just range. Just stuck in this range by all like 50 them. like say 4 can go bug now. Just a retest, bro. Now if you can get nut up weak on the only that. This how you call structure though, chat. You see me? See much time I only can go try to flip. And we could have flipped. So now we look way better than before. You see me? Only can go try for flip because it's a only flip right here, so all of them can clear fail. So now we look way better. Just wait for another retest of engulfing and then we look for sales. But as some usually do it. No, we can say yeah, it's only candle like this should be enough. You see me? Based off our structure we'll print. Especially if we continue to get closures below. A 3 hours now, my stream final dog. Jaja. But I get some more time. Need some more time, chat. If we can get a closure below that would be decent. Bro, exact price has struggle for re-break the highs, eh? That's how what you all can do out. It's a struggle just to re-break the highs. Yes, that might be enough, chat. See this holy candle now re-break the highs, just a respect. But would have to get like closures below. Like our next thing. Bro, that holy candle struggling high up, bro. Try to flip bullish around 10 times. But since we now flip bullish, can we close below? At least just to confirm this at top with ya. Before I can get that bug up, I just have to refresh this local. When we get back to levels back up. A 41. In seconds, I'm gonna see if we can at least like close bearish below. This would be first 15 minute candle breakout, bro, and close out that outside the range. 2 seconds left. And call it a closure below. I guess if you're not counting weeks, then so that's not like a week kill. We'll see. First 15 or close below check. Wait and see, because now we feel the wick. You see me? I'll see how price will react. Or you get top. I think we have that 24. And check, can price retest and we get like an engulfing. That will happen with the sales going down. Retest and I get like a bearish engulfing. Then we'll look for some sales. Our price can break the lows. Bro, if we just go stuck in this range, I might just call it a stream. What I expect price for breakout though. Hold on there. Just have to stretch my foot them look a while, bro. Like a 3 hours I sit down for. So look at we break out to the upside chat. We now back into the range, We got that's how we have clean range going up towards 48. But we don't need the engulfing triangle. Just wait. I'm gonna try identify 4 ranges. I'm just remove them for now. Hold on. Okay. Hold on the chat. I'm gonna see some. More say like the overall, like where you expect like a top wick for this 4. So I'm gonna with 11.4 I can go flip 38. I just look like a 39. I'm gonna zoom out and look left. And we are forward from 81. Shows the range fill by the way. We have levels going up all the way up towards 90. No, it buys they don't look too bad. Okay, just wait for like 90 or 81 get top, but still good. How much range that going up by the way? Alright, so look, put this right here, so put that right here, so make that blue. Yeah, so those funny hourly too. Someone that says 68 chai. Once first top like 68, good. Just gonna like start hunt find this up. But we just need the top with the right now. We need a steeper high. Price a forward up. Not good. Oh, price push all the way up. Build the range. Divergence is higher. Guys, finally start move there now. Finally. Let me see. We're going to wait though, chat, because we're just in a range. Bring the load over. I'm see if price can actually break out this time. Or if this gonna be like the we call it the 4 at top week. When by 4 I can easily print a high and then reject. Easy. Good right, so. 81. Last time we tap get like rejection. We get a reaction at 81. Push all the way up towards 73. You see a bare rejection there, so first was be over top 73 and then we reject all the way back down till the range. After we get like a top wick at 81 though. Same thing up right there, so be a range fill. Go straight up fill. Yeah, so fill. Fall down in the middle of range and fill right there, so. The best thing to do, I will just wait for your range fill. Wait for your range fill chat. And then we execute. That's the best thing we can do right now. Yeah, one of them days they will require a whole heap of patience, bro. No, really, I didn't. Still, I was just stuck in that range. Notice, man, I notice the call chat. It's like, if you look for like, I'm gonna hide them, if you look for the higher time frame, it's like we just have a major support and we should be able to like flip bullish on like this daily time frame. Oh Lord. Yeah, we should be able to flip bullish if you ask me. It's a low price print just now, so we reject from. You see me? Price have fall down from all the way up here, so this a top wicket right here, so it's a range, it's a basically range we're in, you see me? So look, if it look like in our past, whenever we tap this level, price was always able to reject and fill the range. You see me? Check. We have like a next level right here, so we have to be aware of. Right here, so the candles I was always able to like fill this range multiple times. See this daily candle push down and we tap the support. When we tap the support not too long ago, we start to reject. We not completely fill the range yet. But and that's why me and wait chat more says can go reject, fill the range, and then we look for sales for fall back down. You see me? We not completely fill the range yet. This is resistance though. And see if we look, was here for reject. Every time we tap this level, we reject. Same thing up right here, so we tap and the next can go push straight down. We tap, the next can go we drive straight down and fill the range. You see me? That will basically happen. Like, was always able to fill the range after we reject. So we have this right as a support. So I might try to show you like I just wait for see if price can do something like this. I'm try it. So I go open up. We reject, we tap the support just now. Price start to push back up. When I say like we reject tap like the resistance. If we get like an engulfing candle once we tap the resistance, then we'll look for sales going down. You see me? We feel the range or feel the wick minimum. So I just that now. And take off this. Just look a bit higher right so. Which I really that I idea. Now I'm taking buys going up because basically we almost fill the range already. We just want to wait until price fill the range. I don't like say buy is a bad idea, you know. Buy is going up, not a bad idea, but I just wait. See how price react. And if this daily can go flip, no, we're in a whole new range. Delete them there. So chat, I will narrate down now. You see me? So that is like daily time frame. I'm keep on I say daily. And narrate down like ranges. You see me? As I'm say I expect price push up, go back up towards like so which one we have like a rejection or a major resistance. We'd have to like get a closure above though. So start to get closures above. Then the buys them would have been valid chart, you see me? Once we start to get something like this above so. But at that point the buys them would have been valid to go up. You see me? But until then. So you say I think, chat, you would expect price to break out now, up 71, rebreak the highs. You see me? But you see if we fail to break out that range, if we fail to break past 62 and we get like closures back below, we could look for item sales. You see me? Like look, I'm trying to here. See price a push up now. And me I say like, see like how we push up, we get the retest. Price should be able to rebreak the highs at 62. You see me? Should be able to rebreak and continue up. So I may say any type of like, if gold fail for rebreak the highs and we do something like this, get like rejection, get like an engulfing. Man, since get like something like this, chat. Get like an engulfing without for sales. Oh dog. You see me? But just I give price a chance for like rebreak the highs. The highs what we have right so. So price forward close and when I rebreak, see if I will actually close below the range. Get like entry confirmation and we could look for sales. And I already know what more that wait for a bearish engulfing. That I confirmation. Look like we go respect chat. I'ma say. Still have 3 minutes left. This candle can easily we flip bearish pan like 3. That I 5 sorry. I 5 15 make candle print a low too. It's range fill. Range fill. Still not yet. On your way for I bearish closure below. Just drop the bread up on the charge. Me have fun. But I'm just go play some Call of Duty, bro. Will I move lame chat? I just call it a stream. I was still in our range. Just stuck in our range. I just call it a stream, you see me? Forward back tomorrow. No, tomorrow a mad thing. Yeah, chat, man, sooner tomorrow, bro. Like, price just looking nice range. I'm gonna go freaking stay around and wait for price breakout. I think my stream for about 4 hours now. And that's exactly what I never want to do a 5-hour stream. You see me? So yeah. We just stuck right now. I fall back tomorrow. I'm even think gold move either. Yeah. Gold never on nothing either. So I fall back tomorrow, chat. Yeah, no trade day today. Me soon tomorrow, same time though. That is it for right now. Love and respect to everybody who followed out on the stream. Big up on yourself. Let's drop a like on the way out, chat. You see me? In highlights. And play some Call of Duty, bro. Mark it then, I'll go out nothing.